Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in French Guiana, and link and coupon will be in the description. Open description and click eSIM link and open this webpage voyafly.com and write French, yes, and click on this. Open and settings eSIM, high speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, and choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data, and choose a speed plan, light or plus. I recommend plus, this fast speed, and select days. I select 30 days. Select amount eSIM 120 right, and write 1 and click on buy it now. Open page and write discount code ROM tips and click on apply. This discount is $30. Right, and click on Google Pay and buy SIM, or write contact, email and payment data, billing address, and click on Pay Now and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM, and activation instruction. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me.